Do you have all your processes and procedures in place for onboarding and interacting with new clients? Well, today we're going to discuss that. Hi, I'm Bonnie Hawthorne. I am the owner of BR Hawthorne Teaches. I am also a venue coach and consultant, and I help new venue owners create profitable and sustainable venues. So today we're going to be discussing CRM software, that is Client Relationship Management software. So I'm going to be looking at my notes to stay on track and to make the best use of our time today. So what is a CRM? A CRM is a software that's designated to streamline and simplify your processes when handling customers and potential prospects. They help deliver efficient service to your customers. Some of the features of CRMs are lead capture forms, project management, templates, invoices, proposals, brochures, questionnaires, online payment systems, and bookkeeping. So, how is that going to help you? First of all, before you actually get your CRM in place, you have to have workflow automation. So workflow automation pretty much is the steps that you're going to take to interact with your client. Say for instance, when you have your lead contact form, it's going to go into your system. So for instance, I use Honeybook, all right, and there are several other software that you can use, Zoho, Dipsado, Outplanner, but I use Honeybook. So once I put my lead capture form on my website, it goes right into Honeybook. So I have it set up that after about 10 minutes, they will receive initial thank you inquiry email that states our hours, our pricing, what our capacity is. It also has a brochure attached to it. So you can build your brochure also in Canva and then upload it to Honeybook or whatever CRM system that you're going to use. And then after that, also in our initial letter, it has a link to our booking site so they can go on and book a tour. And after, if they book a tour, then they will actually get the directions to our venue. All right, and then prior to the tour date, they have a reminder that the tour, they've scheduled a tour for such and such a date, such and such a time. All right. Also, then once they come for the tour and they say, okay, I want to move forward, we send them a proposal. We give them anywhere from 24 to 72 hours, and that's what dependent upon how you want to set it up. We give them that amount of time to go over the proposal, approve the proposal. If we don't hear back from them in about 3 days, then we will send another follow-up email and reminding them that they only have so much time left for the proposal for us to hold the date for them. If we don't hear from them, then of course we'll send another one. If we don't respond, then we pretty much know that they're not interested. We might follow up a phone call because we do know that sometimes people do get busy and overwhelmed in planning an event or whatever, or just life, right? So once they approve the proposal, we send the contract. The contract is actually populated from all the details that's housed in our CRM. And then they fill out the contract, we send the invoice, they look over the invoice, they can pay the invoice online. So our invoice is connected to our bank, so the monies go automatically into the bank. And one thing I implore you to do is to research your CRM to see what the processing fees are. I mean, if they're 2.9, 3.9 or whatever, and talk to your accountant as to how you can recoup those fees if it's even possible. So again, once they pay the contract, we send another email to say, welcome aboard, do you have any questions or anything of that nature. Also, you can do questionnaires, which we have a PreEvent Questionnaire where we send it to them 15 days prior to the event. We ask them to confirm their guest count, how many tables they want, how many chairs they want per table, will they be using our linens, get all the vendor information, make sure the vendors understand what our house rules and policies are. Also, we reiterate the time of the event, the time the vendors are allowed to come on site to set up, the breakdown times. So you want to have that all in depth as a reminder, because they might have booked a year before and may not really remember all the policies and procedures you have. So, and also you can attach documents to those emails as they go out. So we do, again, attach our house rules to the PreEvent Questionnaire when it goes out, so they can be mindful of all of our rules, and that we can also get those to the vendors so they're understanding our rules and our policies and procedures. Then once the event has happened, we do offboarding. We'll send a email to ask for a review, and then we'll put links in if we're on Google, if we're on Eventective, if we're on Yelp or whatever. We just put hyperlinks down there so they can easily click on and go give us a review. Once we get the review, we send them another email thanking them again for allowing us to host their event. So that's what your workflow is. And so all that is housed in your CRM, which makes life so much easier for not only you, but for your clients. Because you can also send a link to your clients. If they can't remember something, they can go back and reference it in the CRM. So it's just a great way to streamline your processes, keep an efficient and healthy relationship with your clients, and then all the documentation is housed there. I hope that you found this information helpful, but if you need assistance with setting up your CRM, workflow automation, or writing your emails, then please set up a strategy call, and my team and I will be more than happy to assist you. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to stay in the know, subscribe. Again, I'm Bonnie R. Hawthorne of B.R. Hawthorne Teaches, and I thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again. Many blessings.